guests, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 3. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Jason Lasida, First Officer Demos Austria, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Thank you for your cooperation.
Lakas pa rin ang ulan.